All right, so if this paragraph is gray, what happens if we added another paragraph? Okay, I'm going to copy that, I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to change this color to blue. Well, guess what? Everything that we add in here, even if I add in a break and type in this is a cooler paragraph, right? There we go. Anything within these two style tags, right? Basically this P style tag and this tag is going to be blue no matter what I do. And anyone within this style tag right up here is going to be gray no matter what. And even if I change this to orange, again, it's only going to change that top one right there. And of course, if I add in even yet another one, so watch this. If I go and type in red, just like this, again, it's only going to be that one right here, right? It's only going to be red. So that's why we not only put the different kind of styles in there, and that's why we also put the tags in there as well. Okay, so that is the power of why we use tags, and that's the power of style. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.